Hi guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. And in this channel, हम लोग इस channel में today we are going to learn about reading comprehension, the reading skills, the tricks that will help you to enhance your reading skills. So first let us do some little bit homework in this page, and then after we'll be seeing a small passage, a real cat passage, a real cat 2020 passage, and apply these reading tricks to that. So if I talk about the the reading portion, the reading tricks part, right? Then of course the thing is that always know two things. He know what to read, this is the very first thing, and second thing you should know what not to focus. Simple. So what you are going to read, you will be focusing on it, your focus will be on it. And third thing, if you know that if the content looks challenging, right, if the content looks challenging, then make notes. See guys, you will make notes for LRDI when you are solving that. So you are also doing your rough work when you are doing a quant question. So why are you not making notes when it's an RC? It's a good thing to make notes. If you wish, it will do wonders for your preparation. Now what to read, what not to focus on is this. So what to focus on when you read, what you focus on while you read an RC. So you will be focusing on the main idea, the main story, right? You will be focusing on what the author's purpose is, what the author want to say. You will be focusing on the way author writes. It means the feeling, the tone, the emotion, that is called the tone of the RC. And further you will be focusing on examples and facts on which a question is asked. A question is asked. This is what you have to focus on in any RC or in any content that you read. And what stuff do you need to ignore? So guys, if you have not seen my previous video on reading comprehension logic, then please do see that. I will you put that in the I button and also in the description. Just do definitely see that, right? So what content you have to ignore? Well, you have to ignore particularly facts. Now what is fact? Fact means all those data, details, examples coming from third party. So third party information like research, like publication, like name, place, right? Then a source given, कि as per this source blah blah blah, or quotation by a different person, quotation that something written under this inverted comma blah 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 said by XYZ person. So that's quotation. These all things are called as fact. We need to ignore facts. And you will say, ma'am, we'll be ignoring facts, then my 80% of the RC will go waste. Yes, you are completely correct. 80% of the RC you need to ignore, and you have to focus only on the 20% of the RC. That is something to be notified, right? So you have to ignore all the facts, you have to ignore all the information. What is happening? All the information, I'm writing information, okay? Just repeating information. So all those information that is getting repeated through twist of words, through new ways, or through examples, ignore them. So I can also say examples can be ignored. So when you know what to ignore and what to focus on like this, then you are in a better position to skim and skip. So skim scan, same thing, and skip. Skim scan and skip are the ways that people use in combination to read an RC. Well, let me say skip is not a good idea these days. If I say skip certain portions, some people say to skip that 80% of the useless portion. But sometimes there can be a question depending on that 80% useless portion. So skipping in CAT RC, in ZAT RC today is not a good idea. So skipping is not a good idea. I would rather say don't skip. You can rather read these fast so that you know what you have skipped. Don't just skip by closing your eyes. Now skimming scanning of course refers to that 20% of the golden information that I was just talking about, that you are going to see the new information, and this you may read a little bit slow in the sense that at that pace, at that speed, that is going to help you understand the stuff. If you are making notes, your notes should contain this 20% of the information. So if I go back, so this is not going to be a part of your notes. If you are making notes, don't make these in your notes, and just keep this in your notes. Just keep this portion in your notes. So this is going to be the strategy part while you read. So if you want to practice full-fledged RC, right? So if you want to practice CAT 2020 morning slot RCs, I do have my Unacademy links in description. Okay, now what you have to do, just click on the link. There will be four links. It will be covering 4 RCs, so it will be 4 class recordings. It will be in Unacademy. So when you click on it, if you don't have the Unacademy learning app, you may need to you have to download the first thing, download Unacademy app. Of course it has to be the learning app, Unacademy learning app to access, and you have to select the goals. They will ask you the goal. Your goal has to be selected to CAT because it is UPSC by default. So change from UPSC to CAT. You have to do this because the class is in the CAT category, right? Now the third thing is enter free class unlock code. And what is that unlock code? Unlock code will be, I am writing it here, BHGHOSH93. So I'm repeating the unlock code. This is the free class unlock code. It will be BHGHOSH93. So this free unlock code, in fact, in future, if you want to take an Unacademy plan, Unacademy subscription, the class I am providing you, the class link is for fully free, full explanation is there. Let us say if you want to take an Unacademy subscription plus or Iconic, just for information, you can still use the code BHGHOSH93, and every Sunday 12 PM there is a scholarship test. Weekly it's live scholarship test in Unacademy, right? So that for that also, if when they ask you a unique unlock code, you can use BHGHOSH93 to unlock the test. That thing. For now, do one thing: subscribe to this channel, check the descriptions, go to those RCs and practice them. It's going to help. Further, my channel will be containing more videos in the coming future. Will be helping you with RCs and everything. Check Unacademy because there we have better content. I have better content in Unacademy. For the CAT category, there is a lot of content in Unacademy. For other categories, for bank and other exams, I may create some content in this channel. But My cat category content will be mostly in Unacademy. Yes, you can be a part of this channel for cool updates, hacks, notifications, and these kind of short videos that will contain these cool updates that will help you in your VRC. I will very soon have more videos on this para summary, para jumbles, para completion, odd sentence out, and all those other VRC topics that is needed. Do comment and do let me know your suggestions. What else video should I bring up with, like vocabulary, like grammar, like vocabulary, or guidance on GD interviews. So what video do you need? Do let me know. Subscribe this channel and do check out the videos, the description, the link, and other videos suggested here. That's all. Do subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Let's meet in the next video.